Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to cancel a PayPal payment transaction. So I'm guessing you accidentally sent money through PayPal. Don't worry, in this beginner friendly tutorial I'll show you how to cancel PayPal payment transactions when cancellation is possible and what to do if the payment has already been completed. So the first step to understanding when a payment can be cancelled is knowing that all PayPal payments cannot be cancelled. It's not every payment you can actually cancel. So you have to keep this in mind. In most cases, you can only cancel a payment if it's marked as pending or unclaimed. Completed payments usually can't be cancelled directly. You have to go through some other means. Basically, it looks like this. This is what it looks like. But how do you go about fixing your current issue? The first step is to open up PayPal and sign in. So open up the PayPal app or website and simply sign into your account. Make sure you're the one using the account that sent the payment. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to make the cancellation possible. It wouldn't be possible since you don't have the authorization. All right, so the next step from there is to go to the activity page. So once you've logged in, navigate to your activity section where all your recent transactions are listed, and then find the payment you want to cancel and tap on it to view more details. Once you've done that, look for the transaction status. It may say pending or unclaimed. You may be able to then cancel it. So you can see if it says unclaimed here, you can just go ahead and cancel your payments. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to reclaim your sent money. The only other way of doing this would come up later in the video, but for now you have to check the payment status to make sure it says pending or unclaimed. That way you can cancel. So if the status says completed, you will need to contact the recipient or use PayPal's dispute process if applicable. So please keep this in mind. And now the next step would be to simply cancel the payment itself. So if a cancel option appears in the transaction page, please go ahead and tap it. PayPal will ask you to confirm the cancellation, review the details, and then proceed. So you need to make sure that you actually look to cancel this transaction. So you may be met with a reason for wanting to cancel. So it could be a duplicate or something of that sort. And then you just simply click on submit and the cancellation for that payment would be made. All right, so moving on to the next thing, we have verifying the cancellation. So after you've canceled, check your activity page again to confirm that the transaction was successfully cancelled. Otherwise, if the payment was funded from your balance or bank account, the funds should be returned according to PayPal's processing timelines. If it isn't returned, then you might have to wait a bit before you lay a complaint with the PayPal system or their support team. All right, so what happens if the payment has already been made? That is, if you've already completed your transaction. Well, if the payment has already been completed, you won't see a cancel option. The cancel option won't be available. What you would rather do in this situation is to contact the recipient and request a refund. So you can cancel and request a refund from them, but this is on the sender's portal. For the customer, you're going to have to lay your complaint with the recipients themselves, or you may need to contact PayPal support. You can use the PayPal Resolution Center if needed. If you paid for the goods or services and there is an issue with the transaction, you may be able to open a case through the PayPal Resolution Center. So it says here you need to go into the activity menu, select the payment, and then use the contact info on the page to simply contact the seller. If you receive a refund, the money will return to its original payment method, such as your bank, credit card, or PayPal account. So please keep this in mind when you're requesting for a refund. If you do not receive a refund, you can open a dispute in your resolution center. Make sure you file your dispute within the correct disputing file timeframe. In the dispute, you can message the seller through PayPal to try to resolve any issues. If you cannot resolve the issues or the dispute, you have 20 days to escalate the dispute to return or get a claim. In a claim, we investigate the case and decide the outcome. So PayPal would decide the outcome of personal and business transactions. So you have to keep this in mind when you are selling a product or working as an employer who wants a refund. All right, guys. So if your item hasn't been returned or, you haven't gotten your item back, please lay a claim at the resolution center so you can be attended to by the PayPal support team. All right. So this is especially useful if you didn't receive your item or your transaction wasn't authorized. And how do you prevent future payment mistakes? Before sending in money, always double check the recipient's email address, the username, and the payment amount. Taking a few extra seconds can save you from having to request refunds or resolve payment issues later. And that's how to cancel a PayPal payment transaction in 2026. Leave a like and subscribe for more PayPal tutorials. Thank you.